Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the Cadillac CT6 seats massage function and how to use them. So to use them, you will need these controls on the side. These are for your normal seats. You can use these controls. So press it once down, and then you will show up like in a whole system over here. And then I use these to go up and down. So you can. So now this is for the upper part. I can go down, adjust my lumbar support. I can also adjust my thigh support. And then for the massage function, to keep on going up, here's your massage function. So now you have off, roll. I wouldn't really recommend roll, but you have this is actually really good. And then you can also adjust how strong you want it. And then you have a stretch function. You have your only lumbar massage, and you have only shoulder massage. And then just turn it off, just put it into off. And then you also have the same system for the passenger side seat, and then you have the same system for the rear seats, but it will show up in their rear displays.